Are we heading up those stairs?
Yeah, this staircase goes up. This staircase is pretty rough, so be careful on nail holes or the nails, and that's where the joist is.
Did you hear I fell through that?
Ah, these are all good. Oh yeah, I know where we are now.
Oh, is that the chapel?
Yeah, the chapel's that way.
I'll take
I know where we are now. So yeah, I know where we are now. I know where we are now. This is right here.
Wow. That is cool.
Can you imagine this place in the city?
Oh yeah.
A lot of this stuff was popping up.
Hey look, it says Mark.
Last time I was here, I was doing the dining about shirt. Really? Yeah. I couldn't walk through with my section because all the people left me.
They've destroyed marble pillars. Crazy. Awesome.
So that's new. That wasn't there last time. That was that's about 6 months ago. That is sad.
These are like Bibles. And oh no, some songs. Songbook. Old pew. Oh no, that's the pew. This is the podium.
Oh, look up!
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
You can see it? No, it's not.
Better late than never.
Hey, thanks for showing everybody up.
Look at that.
Oh, baby, I didn't see all the detail on these.
Yeah, it's a beautiful spot, man. With the windows. This place is nasty. What was this? Documents, sink.
Oh yeah.
Man.
There's gonna be a lot of videos, all in one. These windows are great. I gotta get a shot of this room. This is where you do the confessions here. Oh man. It's like a sound booth almost. Silence. Talk to the pastor or whoever through these windows. Forgive me, Father, I've sinned.
You're not getting any forgiveness from me. I hate to break it to you, but that ship has sailed. You're screwed.
I'm sorry. I guess I'll go convert.
Yeah, you better start doing the Hail Mary at least 80 times a day in order to make up what you did, man.
I hear a lot of people getting excited, and that gets me excited.
Go!
Oh, what is it, man? No way! No way!
There's a bowling alley over there too.
This is under a church?
This is decked out, dude. Let's go to church. By church, I mean let's go bowl, dude.
This will get the kids to show up for service.
Let's get kids to show up and... God.
That is mega. Bowling alley. That is neat. That's an old one.
Play some basketball back there.
I had that one too.
Bowling alley. Yeah. Crazy.
Wow.
Yeah. Let go! Even my light doesn't light the place up. It's just so crazy that they had a basketball court and a bowling alley down here. And just so you know, the church is directly above us.
Give her a little more oomph.
No balls in the ball bag. Nothing. Some sort of locker room or storage room. Probably for the basketballs and stuff. That's for bowling balls there. Her neat room. All the mold on the ceiling. That's pretty nasty.
Yep.
Wow. So what was this room, did you say?
This was the old cafeteria, I believe.
Okay.
I'm not completely.
Are we still underground?
No.
No.
Nope, we're on the main level right there.
Yeah.
Huh. Here's the kitchen.
Ooh.
My friend, actually his grandma.
She working here? Oh wow.
She was the head chef here.
Wow.
So that's pretty neat.
Tiny little office in here. Not sure what happened there. I guess just the cafeteria, head of the cafeteria's office.